everyone, I'm Trevor here, and welcome to a important update. I'm here to make a video about what's going on with Xbox right now. And pretty the Xbox service is down, and I got, and I'm not sure I won't be able to stream games tonight. Like that's a regular off streaming schedules with Twitch streaming. And also, for next year's, I guess I was able to stream games like Movie Scholarship or Final Fantasy 15 Anniversary 1 due to the Xbox service issue is still down. But it do work offline, but I don't want to do that. Pretty because it's still working on this issue or Xbox service um, with the account, everything that's going on. And apparently, this probably happens during Christmas. This issue never happens during I'm pretty sure through July, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November. But currently, this only happens during Christmas. So it may take 2 or 3 weeks to fix it, to fix this issue. Um, yeah, this not the I'm not the only person who has an issue. This also happens with my buddy Phil with Xbox service still down. So we may see. I might have to put like an important update on Xbox service on my streaming schedule on 2024. It depends. So I hope you guys got this a video update. It says important update about the Xbox service is down due due to an issue with the service. It may be the Wi-Fi or something that's causing it. I don't know, but I hope you guys got the message. Peace.